We're going to be checking out these Aviation Tin Snips that were sent over for me to test and make this video. So guys, these here are some 10-inch chrome vanadium shears. They do have a safety latch here. They got rubberized grips here for easy comfort and control. Very ergonomic in the hands. Got a serrated blade on the top here. These here do a pretty good job of cutting, your thin tin, your lightweight steel, copper, plastic, stuff like that. It do have some powder coating on there, for some rust prevention and stuff like that. But all in all, guys, it's a very nicely made set of Aviation Tin Snips. So if you guys are looking for some shears for your either work environment or for something around the shop, you may want to check these out. I hope this helps.